Sometimes our R&D efforts spill over into our own personal projects, like this 1987 L98 powered Corvette. We could have replaced the tired AC compressor and blown alternator with original style parts, or install one of our Victory Series Serpentine drive systems. Hey, what would you do? Compact SD7 AC compressor is more efficient, more reliable, and we just think it looks way better than the old R4 AC units. To make it all fit, we machined a shallow crank pulley and 3D printed spacers for the rack. We then machined our standard small block Chevy bracket set to restore pulley alignment. Our high-pressure black AQP power steering hose kit features steel fittings and works with our billet remote reservoir. Tired alternator was replaced with this fully built and blueprinted PowerMaster unit with one of our high-capacity billet cooling fans. We no doubt saved some weight compared with the original equipment. So, can you buy this kit for your C4 Corvette? Well, that's what we're wondering also. If you're interested, let us know in the comments.